pre-K students! How are you, pre-K Sinai? How about you, pre-K Hermon? And how about you, pre-K Moriah? I hope you are in a good situation and condition. So do I. Alright, today it's my turn to give you the tutorial video about letters and sounds. But before that, do you remember about the letters that we have learned? Yes? Wow! You did well, pre-K students. You still remember about the letters and the sounds. How about this letter? What letter is this? Yes, this is letter S. And the sound is? Yeah, you're right. Letter S, say S. 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 Is for snake. Good job. Next is letter. Yes, you're right. This is letter C. Good. C, letter C, say. You're right, pre-K. Is for. Yes, it's for a car. Letter C, say. Car. Tesla. Good job. So now it's your turn to open your eyes, open your ears. I will tell you something. You have to pay attention. Promise? Okay, let's check it out the video.
Alright, pre-K students, let's read our story. The title is The Great Tidy Up by Book Dash. The instruction is, you may find the letters below. After that, you may produce the sounds from those letters. But before that, ask your mommy or daddy to read this story for you. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's open the next page. We are going to have so much fun while Gogo is having a nap, says Big Sister Crazy. Oh yes, says little brother Mizamu. What will we do? From this first page, how many letter S did you find? Can you find letter S here? Okay, let's find letter S. I will give you example for the first letter and for the first page. Here we go. This is letter S. Okay. So how many letter S from the first page? Can you count? Please help me. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many letter S? Yes, you're right. There are 9 letter S. So, what the sound? How the sound of letter S? Yes, letter S say S, 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 S. Good. Okay, next, let's move to the other page. From this page, you may find letter A. Alright. Can you find it? Yes. Wow, a lot of letter A. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, a lot of letter A. How the sounds of letter A? The sound is? Yes, letter A says apple. Good job. Alright, you may continue for the other letters. And don't forget to point the letters one by one and produce the sounds of the letter. Ask mommy or daddy to record you if you are ready. After that, your mommy or daddy will send the video to your teacher's email. Are you ready, pre-K students? Okay.
Alright, pre-K, have you watched the tutorial video to find the letters and you may recognize the sounds too? Glad to see your video about that. And now it's your turn at home. Please ask your mommy or daddy to record you, and after that you may send the video to your teacher's email. Ready? Let's go! Have a try!